Can't have a movie without popcorn. Oh, there's popcorn stuck in my teeth.
This movie's so fast!
Get off!
No! Look, Max, it's so funny!
Oh, this popcorn's annoying. This'll help me get rid of her.
What? Max, you can't get rid of me? I'm the best! Do this to me! No!
Oh, yes, much better.
No, here, eat more popcorn, Max!
No more popcorn
No,
for today.
Oh.
Ooh, I love hot wings. Oh, so hot!
Feel the burn!
I need milk.
No! No, Max, please don't do it!
Too late, I gotta do it.
No, Max, please! Milk is terrible! No! Time to go spicy wing! No! I'm here for you, Max.
Thanks, Milk. Oh man, I'm so tired, but I have so much homework to do. Oh man, what should I do? Oh, this coffee should help.
Come on, Max, you can do it! Let's go! Get it done! Get all your math done and your science! Woo! You got this!
Ah, yes, done.
Yay!
Bed. Woo.
No sleeping, Max! Energy! Come on!
Oh, come on, I have class in 4 hours. Let me go to sleep.
No sleep, Max! You have to stay awake! Max, we really need to focus on studying!
Oh, don't worry. I have brain food.
Hey everyone! Who's ready to study? Come on! We have a test soon! Max, can't you eat more quietly? Your crunching is so loud!
Oh, sorry, Amy.
Come on, Max! Keep it up! Max, let's just take a break to eat. I can't concentrate anyway.
Oh, all right. Here, have some carrots.
Yeah, we'll be super healthy when we get to studying!
I think I have a cold. Oh, maybe some tea will help. I need a teacup. Okay, now I just need some hot water.
It's okay, Max. I'll help you out now.
Thanks.
Let's get you back to bed so you can rest up.
All right then.
You'll feel all better tomorrow.
The salad is so bland. Oh, I know what'll make it better. This pepper should help. Maybe that was too much pepper.
Oh no! Go! Try it!
Okay. Oh darn! I ruined my salad. I can't eat like this.
Oh come on, Max! It's not that bad.
Oh stop! Oh, candy.
Here, Max. You can have a few pieces.
I guess one wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, come on, try it. Come on, Max. How about another piece? Maybe a chocolate this time?
Oh, maybe one of these and one of these.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I ate too much candy. Oh no, class is about to start. Ew. Oh. Get away, chew gum.
Never, I'm never letting go.
Oh, man. How do I get this off? Oh, this napkin should work.
No, you can't do that. No, you can't! Oh, that's not allowed! You can't leave me!
Yes, see you later.
No, don't leave me!
This needs something. Oh, onions! Perfect. Time to get started.
Hey, Max!
Wait, what are you doing?
You have to cry!
Stop it!
Never!
Oh! These will protect my eyes from the onion juice.
What? Take those off! I have to make you cry!
Nope, not today. I have to make dinner.
Oh, you can't do that!
Oh man, this garlic salad is great.
Mine's good too!
Mmm.
Don't forget the stink spray!
Ah! Oh! Hey Amy, do you want dessert?
How about... Ew, your breath stinks!
What? Seriously?
I think I'll go home now.
Well, wait, Amy.
Don't worry, Max. Garlic's good for your health. Even if it is stinky.
Finally, time for dinner, but let's take a few pictures first.
Make sure you get my best angle.
All right, time to dig in.
Wait, no! Those pictures were way too boring. You need to add more.
Oh, I guess I could add vegetables?
Yes, that's perfect. Just make me look gorgeous.
That should be good. All right.
Yes, I look so perfect.
Whoa, it's already getting a bunch of likes on Instagram.
See, I told you. Take more.
Okay, here's your drink, Amy.
What? I wanted a soda too.
You only had one left. Oh, I have to go grab the snacks.
He didn't want to bring me a soda? Fine, I'll show him. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. Perfect.
Hey, I brought the snacks. Ooh, let's drink some soda. That's good.
I'm okay, don't worry. What? It didn't explode?
What do you mean?
Nothing.
Okay. Here, you want some candy?
Oh, sure.
Oh, donuts.
Take that, Max.
Oh man, these donuts are always so messy.
More!
No! Stop! Stop! No!
Fun, Max!
No more powdered donuts ever! Oh man!
Hi everyone! Did you guys like the video? Leave a comment down below! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!